નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, આજે આપણે આ વિડીયોમાં ધોરણ 9 ઇંગ્લિશ લેસન 1 ચિત્તા સ્ટીયરના ટેક્સ્ટબુકના ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર જોઈશું. V1. Fill in the blanks using the word given in the bracket. પહેલું, વિભૂતિ copied answer in the examination. તો જવાબ વોટ એ સેમ બ્રેવો. બીજું, જતીન બેંગ્ડ એન ઇન્જર્ડ ડોગ ઇન ધ સ્ટ્રીટ. તો એમાં જવાબ આવશે વેન્ડન. ત્રીજું, કરીમ ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ટુ એપિયર એટ ધ ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ ફોર ધ પોસ્ટ ઓફ ધ જનરલ મેનેજર. આન્સર બેસ્ટ ઓફ લક. ચોથું છે, દીપ્તિ સ્કોર્ડ 92% in the final exam. Congratulations. 5. Naren completed his homework very well. Bravo. 6. Khushali failed in the last test. Also. V2. Replace the underlined word with the word having the opposite meaning from the bracket. તો 1. આન્સર જોઈએ. When the captain and the team got down the train, a large crowd gathered to welcome them. Second, when the question paper is easy, the students seem happy. ત્રીજામાં જોઈએ, he is very wicked, so people hate him. પાંચમું છે, ચોથું, લાસ્ટ વીક આઈ ટ્રાવેલ બાય ધ રાજધાની એક્સપ્રેસ ઇન ધ એસી કોચ. માય જર્ની વોઝ ક્વાઇટ કમ્ફર્ટેબલ. 5. બિંદુ ઇઝ સેડ because she got less mark in the test. છઠ્ઠું, some active lazy do not use dustbin to dump rubbish at public place. 7. The beautiful sight of the nature always attracts us. Vocabulary 3 1. The giant was so wicked that he did not allow the children to play in his garden. 2. Yesterday Raj's pen leaked in his pocket, so his shirt had blue stain. 3. All the members of the tribe decide to send Eddie out of the village for his misdeed. 4. Nirali's papa bought her a bicycle, so her younger brother invited her. 5. If you visit any village in monsoon, you will find lush green meadows. 6. Krishna played on his flute, and within a minute, a herd of his cows roosted to him. 7. Dipti was thinking how to get rid of the situation. Suddenly her eyes sparkled with an idea. Comprehension જોઈએ. C1. What do you feel when you read this sentence? Write well done or how sad. What a shame. Follow the example. તો પહેલું, Eddie decided to steal a cheetah cub. So what a shame. બીજું, Eddie threw his net over the cub and caught them. How sad. ત્રીજું, but alas, the mother cheetah could not find her young one. How sad. ચોથું, Sano took the cub on his shoulder and returned them to the mother. So well done. પાંચમું, Eddie by his wicked act had brought dishonor to the whole Zulu tribe. So what a shame. 6. The Zulu hunter decided to drive Eddie away from their village. So well done. Comprehension 2. Arrange the following phrase in such sequence that can show how Eddie thought of easy Why to hunt result in catching cub? Right number of phrases in the bracket. પહેલામાં પહેલું, બીજું પાંચમા નંબરે, ત્રીજું 7, ચોથામાં 9, પાંચમામાં 3, છઠ્ઠામાં 8, સાતમામાં 6, આઠમામાં ચોથો નંબર, નવમામાં બીજો અને દસમામાં 10મો. Comprehension 3. Now find from the lesson and write down the most important 8 phrases in the space given below, which tells the story about the stain on the cheetah's cheeks. Start from the mother cheetah's return from the stream. First, mother cheetah returned from the stream. She did not find her cubs. She looked all around us. She became angry and jumped wildly. Alas, she could not find her dear babies. She became sad and started crying. She cried for the whole night till the next evening. Mother cheetah has stain on her face. 4. Answer the question. The one question. Which sentence in the text show that Addis was lazy hunter? Answer. These deer are really wonderful, but I have to rub a lot to catch one of them. Can't there be an easy way to get one? Second, Eddie decided to catch a cub. Why? So Eddie decided to catch a cub and train it to hunt for him. Third answer, it was safe for Eddie to steal a cub because he knew that a cheetah never. ચોથા પ્રશ્નનો આન્સર, Eddie threw a net over the cub and caught them. પાંચમાનો આન્સર, first she became angry and jumped wildly. Then she became sad and started crying. She cried for the whole night until the next evening. છઠ્ઠાનો આન્સર, these words were said by Sanno to Ed. સાતમાનો આન્સર, a Zulu hunter hunted with his own strength and skill, but Eddie was lazy and wicked. He stole the cub and broke the rules of the tribe. Thus, he brought dishonor to the whole tribe. આઠમાનો આન્સર, the tribesmen decide to drive away Eddie from their village forever. નવમું, the message of the story Cheetah's tear is that, like human beings, even animals have feeling. They love their young one and can cry when they lose them. 5. Read the fact about cheetahs from the text and complete the table. Height 100 cm, weight 65, age 2 years. Identification, the cheetah's body is lighter and its legs are longer than the leopard's. It has isolated black spot on the body. Habitat, the open forest. Presently they are found in Africa. Speed 100 kilometers per hour. And food, medium sized bucks, hares and large birds. 6. Comprehension. Complete the statement using the appropriate word or group of words from the text. The 1. Eddie wanted an easy life. Second, Eddie admired the cheetah cub because they got their food without any effort. Third, Eddie thought that he would train the cubs, hunt for him, and his life would be very comfortable then. Chothu, the mother cheetah went on crying until her tears made dark stain on her cheek. પાંચમું, according to Sano, a hunter must hunt with his own strength and skill. છઠ્ઠું, Eddie had brought dishonor to the whole tribe by stealing the cubs and breaking the rules of the tribes. 7. Comprehension. Discuss this with your friend and teacher in the class. You may use mother tongue. The 1. What do you think about earning without effort? Second, do you justify Eddie's act of catching the cubs? Why? Third, fourth and 5 question. Language practice. 1. Read the story and notice the underlined words. The was traveling, gathered, saw, were, ignored, tried, kept telling, were, followed, were saying, fell down, died. આગળ continue, yelled, began jumping, made, got out, did, explained, was, thought, and encouraging. Use the underlined word to answer this question in full sentence. Encircle that word in the answer. The 1. Did the other frogs try to jump out? Both the frogs tried to jump out. Second, did the other frogs keep telling the 2 frogs not to try? To answer, yes, the other frogs kept telling the 2 frogs not to try. 3. Did the second frog stop jumping? No, the second frog continued to jump, or no, the second frog did not stop jumping. 4. Did the second frog listen to what other frog said? No, the second frog did not listen to what the other frog said. 5. Did the second frog explain that he was deep? Answer, yes, the second frog explained that he was deep. Language 2. Work in pair and complete this dialogue using was, wasn't, were not. The 1. Where were you at 9 in the morning yesterday? So I in bed as it was Sunday. Second, were you present in the class yesterday? Yes, I was. Third, was Sardar Patel first Prime Minister of India? No, he was not. It was Jawaharlal Nehru. Chouthu, was Yuvraj Singh a part of Indian cricket team during the World Cup 2015? No, he was not. Panchmu, was there power cut at your place yesterday? No, there was not. In fact, we watched a movie last night. Chhattu, were there guests at your home last Sunday? So yes, there were. They were my brother's friend. 7. Were you a part of school culture program last year? Yes, I was. I performed folk dance. 8. Was Sanskrit compulsory for your in class? Yes, it was. Language 3. Ask this question to your teacher. Write action and main information from your. The 1. Who was India's first Prime Minister? The Jawaharlal Nehru was India's first Prime Minister. Biju, who was India's first President? So Rajendra Prasad was India's first President. Triju, when did Gujarat become separate state? So Gujarat became separate state in 1960. Chotho, when did you join this school? So I joined this school 2002. When did you reach the school yesterday? So I reached the school 8 o'clock yesterday. Chattu, what time did you return home yesterday? So I returned home 3 o'clock. 7. Did you visit any new place during your last summer vacation? Yes, I visited new place during my last summer vacation. 8. What places did you visit during the last vacation? તો I visited Jaipur during my last summer vacation. 9. With whom did you go there? તો I went there with my family. 10. How long did you stay here? તો I stay there for 5 days. 11. What did you see there? તો I saw Hawa Mahal, City Palace, Jantar Mantar. Language 4. Read the sentence and question in pair. Look at the figure. So did you play football yesterday the morning? So we played football yesterday in the morning. Did you come late to school last Monday? So Jai come late to school last Monday. Did you watch the movie last week? I watched the movie last week. B. Now fill in the blanks, complete sentence and question. Did the yellow bird sing a song yesterday morning? So the yellow bird sang a song yesterday morning. Second. Did you see my brother during recess? So I saw your brother during recess. Did you hear the terrifying noise last night? So I heard the terrifying noise last night. Chothu. Did you visit the fun fair last Sunday? I visited fun fair last Sunday. 5. Did you attend panchayat meeting last weekend? So I attend panchayat meeting last weekend. B. Now fill the blanks. Complete the sentence and question. Pelu. Did the yellow bird sing a song yesterday morning? Answer. The yellow bird sang a song yesterday morning. Biju. Did you see my brother during recess? So I saw your brother during recess. Triju. Did you hear the terrifying noise last night? So I heard the terrifying noise last night. Did you visit the fun fair last Sunday? I visited the fun fair last Sunday. Did you attend panchayat meeting last weekend? So I attend panchayat meeting last weekend. આગળ જોઈએ. Work in pair. Ask your partner this question and gather information about your friend. Then present it to your class. તો મિત્ર વિશે અહીંયા લખવાનું છે. ઇન વિચ યર વેર યુ બોર્ન. તો જે વર્ષે જન્મ હોય એ સાલ અહીંયા આવશે. એટ વોટ એજ ડીડ યુ સ્ટાર્ટ ગોઈંગ ટુ સ્કૂલ. તો સ્કૂલ જ્યારે ગયા હોય તો એ વર્ષ અહીંયા લખવાનું છે. વોટ વોઝ યોર ફર્સ્ટ સ્કૂલ નેમ. તો સ્કૂલ નેમ આવશે. વોટ ગેમ ડીડ યુ પ્લે ઇન સ્કૂલ એટ ધીસ ટાઈમ. તો ક્રિકેટ અથવા કોઈ પણ રમત. હુ વોઝ યોર બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ. તો એનું નામ આવશે. Language 5. Work in pair and complete sentence given below. Use the negative from underline words. The 1. Enjoyed. So did not enjoy. Found. Did not found. Find. Brought. Did not bring. Sang. Did not sing. 5. Announce. Did not announce. Won. Did not win. Required. Did not win. Caught. Did not catch. Drank. તો did not drink. આ જવાબ આમાં આવશે અને આ જવાબ આની અંદર આવશે. 10. દિશા. તો finished. તો he did not finish. B છે work in pair. Ask your partner this question and complete the table given below. So, did you brush your teeth yesterday? So yes. Did you go to school? So yes. Did you help kitchen? No. Did you homework? No. Did you study English? Yes. Did you listen music? Yes. Did you receive phone from any of your friends? No. Did you watch TV yesterday? So yes. C. પહેલું, ડીડ યુ ટેક બ્રેકફાસ્ટ યસ્ટરડે? તો યસ આઈ ટુક. ડીડ યુ સે યોર પ્રેયર્સ યસ્ટરડે? નો આઈ ડીડ નોટ સે માય પ્રેયર્સ યસ્ટરડે. ડીડ યુ પ્લે ક્રિકેટ યસ્ટરડે? તો યસ આઈ પ્લેડ ક્રિકેટ યસ્ટરડે. ચોથું છે, જવાબ જોઈએ. નો આઈ ડીડ નોટ રીડ ન્યૂઝપેપર ટુડે. 5. યસ આઈ વિઝિટેડ માય ફ્રેન્ડ યસ્ટરડે. 6. યસ આઈ વેન્ટ ટુ ધ માર્કેટ યસ્ટરડે. 7. નો આઈ ડીડ નોટ વોચ એ ફિલ્મ યસ્ટરડે. 8. યસ આઈ ફોટ વિથ માય group of people is tall dog yesterday. Language 6. A group of people talking about how they spend their weekend. Complete conversion using appropriate from the words given in the bracket. તો પહેલું, what do you do on the weekend? તો I went to watch movie. It was fantastic. બીજું, how was your weekend? તો it was great. I met some friend on Saturday and we went for shopping. We also visited fun fair. We thoroughly enjoyed evening. ત્રીજું, what did you do on Saturday night? So I have guests at home and I cooked dinner from them. Then we watched the program on TV. And what did you do on the weekend? Oh, nothing special. I stayed at home and studied. Language 7. Work in group. 4 or 5. Sort out which action and activities given in the left box match with the situation right box. Frame sentences given in the example. On the picnic, to the market અને to the museum. તો sentence આ મુજબ આવશે. 1. Last Sunday I went to and saw an ancient weapon. બીજું, yesterday I went to the market and ate ice cream. Gulliver's Travel. Lesson 9. Frame question for each to answer given below. Use the question prompt given in the brackets. તો પહેલામાં when, બીજામાં whom, ત્રીજામાં what. બીજું વાક્ય છે કે Julie drank orange juice for breakfast this morning. તો who drank orange juice for breakfast this morning? What did Julie drink for breakfast this morning? અને when did Julie drink orange juice? એ જ મુજબ ત્રીજામાં who, what અને when થી આ મુજબ પ્રશ્નાર્થ બનશે. ચોથા, પાંચમા અને છઠ્ઠા વાક્યમાં પણ બનાવેલા છે. હવે રાઇટિંગ છે. You have found baby monkey whose mother is missing. How will you help it? Read the suggestion and write what you will do. તો બેબી મંકી માટે શું કરશું? તો ફર્સ્ટ I will put it safe place. Then I will give some foods. Therefore I will make it drink some water. Meanwhile I will protect it from dogs. Then I will search for its mother. When the mother will see her baby, she is sure to run it and hold it. I will feel happy to see the mother and the baby in tail. બીજું છે, read the fact about the tiger. Underline them with the help your teacher. Then write paragraph including all these details. તો type, diet, lifespan, appearance, size, tail અને habitats અહીંયા આપેલ છે એ મુજબ આવશે. Scientific name, life, terrify, hunting habits. You can begin like this. Write about 10 sentences a day in the life of a tribal. તો a day in the life of tribal એના વિશેના 10 વાક્યો. ગેધર ઇન્ફોર્મેશન અબાઉટ એની એનિમલ અરાઉન્ડ યોર રેસિડન્ટ એન્ડ ફિલ ધ ડિટેલ ધ ટેબલ. તો આસપાસ રેસિડન્ટમાં હોય કોઈ એનિમલ તો એના વિશેની માહિતી અહીંયા લખવાની છે, અહીંયા લખેલ છે. આભાર મિત્રો, હવે પછીના વિડીયોમાં મળીશું.